Council House Interview. The housing officer is interviewing Helen, who is applying to live in a new council house. Helen, I want to talk about the new house that council is building. I have heard that you want to take this house for yourself and your family. Is that right?
Ya, ngayon na ya makup-kup ngan awit siya kani ning naman ni uwangang tiya aniya ngayon ni awit siya po tamanya patak mang unwanang.
All right. Tell me about that house where you are living now.
Ananiya awit siya tantanan na awit siya na tabalman anani kaw nga na tanan na ngayon niya ngayon na awit siya dormitory nga na unang pakan. An ngai ini niya ngai baya wancing tungol puta awat ana na waya.
What do you mean when you say that house is no good?
Nila yuka nanganan na nida awit nganan umpi na tanwi ilungan mungkan temat selangan anaya wai umpna wayat na aka sakani wika pi yimenangan umpedan aka awal wayan yumpun al nganani.
Yes, that's no good. How many people are living with you at the moment?
Nila pama wanch pama pula puk wanch man a puka utia kolam nila ya kunchuno daman wampang unau pulangani an palania pam kunchania mulun nila puka nangania ang mantamai kat kuncha kunchuno dam danganani.
Yes, that's a lot. But there are other big families who live in the one house, and they too have been waiting a long time for a house.
Ngaya yipake ma wikataw nga na kat ngatram pip ngatram polwunaw ngatrangan awat ananiya manipata kama ngan ke unina ngatra kama man.
If we give you the new house, then all those relations will have to move in with you so we can fix that old house up for someone else.
Tanwaya ngayaniya akanakani iya nga ngonjang.
The house isn't ready yet. The electrician has to come in and put in the lights and the stove. I'll let you know when the contractors have finished everything. Okay?
Ya, an Mungkan na an Wikmin ya mula